Hey, James here at Barber Creek Long Range Shooting School and Eagle Ballistics. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Calypso. Now if you look at the top of the Calypso, has an arrow that says point it north, and what I did is I took a paint marker and you can see I actually made this little mark on it. So I'm going to open up my cell phone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find north and I'm going to set this down on my couch. Now I have a fan running right here. You can see this fan. Alright, so let me get this on north, which is right there. And then when I open the Eagle Ballistics app, I'm going to go to devices, and I'm integrating it right now because this sends out Bluetooth. I'm going to connect it. And the way I got it set up is right now it's showing that the wind is coming from 5 o'clock from the fan. I'm going to push on my app and I'm going to aim it to north. And again, now you can see that the wind's coming from 4 o'clock. So with the the Calypso set up properly, if this is facing north, now it knows where north is. Then as the wind starts to change, I'm on meter mode, watch this. I'm going to set this down and turn it. As I move the fan, you'll see now that the wind is coming from 4:30, now 5 o'clock. So, and it's also, of course, getting the wind speed. Let me increase the wind speed a little bit. So, as the wind changes with the Calypso live on the app, it's actually showing where the wind's coming from and the wind speed. So I'm going to come back over here. My cord's not that long, but now you can see as I start to move the wind direction and that it's coming from. Try to get this over here. Now the wind's coming from 5:30. And as I move back over here, we'll have it come from this direction. And you can see now it's 4:30. Now it's 3:30. So this is tracking live exactly where the wind's coming from and what the wind speed is. If you're in the multi-HUD mode or the PRS mode, you'll see it's the same thing. So let me go ahead and click on it. And you can see the wind is active across all of the lanes or targets. Let me go back to single mode. And look at this real quick. If I click on the camera, and let's say now that I'm shooting in this direction, which is 74 degrees azimuth, you'll see that it's showing that the wind's coming from 12:30, the direction basically that the fan is coming from. So as you change target direction, you leave the Calypso alone, and it's going to get the new direction that the wind's coming from. So this is all live, and this is a great technique. If you're out hunting with this, you can literally have the guide range the target and leave this sitting there, leave the app running, and if you have a rangefinder that connects to my app like the Newcon and a few others, then literally live on the app it's going to give you your direction, your azimuth, the wind's going to be live, and you can take your shot. You can set this down and leave it by your rifle and have the guide range the target, and all your information's here. Now if you're doing it by yourself, same thing. You can either range the target, have the app pick up the rangefinder, or you can physically type in it's an 822 yard shot, grab the compass direction, boom, now the wind is being fed live to the app and you can make your shot. Alright, so this is how you run the Calypso connected with the Eagle Ballistics app. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.